Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you select your changer on your pickup. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here, and just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click in this sign. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to changer and you click in this sign. Then here can you select your changer. I'm going to click to this for example. So then you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, then here it's going to add with you here your changer here automatically on your pickup. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.